Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll tell you that how you can use less data while using Instagram, or how you can use Instagram by using less data. So just say goodbye to data wastage, or first of all you have to do is you have to just subscribe to my channel or click on subscribe button, so that it will be helpful for me and it will be appreciation for me. So just make sure that your mobile is connected with internet, and then you have to do is you have to just open Instagram. So I'll tell you that how you can save your data while using Instagram. So you can see that my mobile is already connected with Wi-Fi. I have opened my Instagram now, and I have to click on this profile option, and now I have to click on these three lines, and now I have to click on settings. After going into settings, what you have to do is you have to go into account option, that is just below ads. Now there is an option of mobile data use just below sharing to other apps. Now go into that option. Now you are in mobile data settings. You have to just turn on the data saver mode. Okay, so it will be use less data while using Instagram. So these were very easy steps that you have to follow if you want to save your mobile data while using Instagram. So I hope that this video is beneficial for you, and if you like my video, then please give it a huge thumbs up, share to your friends also. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and click on bell icon so that you can get notifications of my upcoming videos, and you can do comment that what type of video you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching.